Hi everyone, today I will be sharing the GBP USD upcoming trade idea for the next week, which is 8th of September to the following week. In the previous video on GBP USD, I shared a trade idea in which whoever followed the trade made huge profits. I booked the huge profit, and the proof of this is shared on Instagram, and you can check off the YouTube as well, where I have shared the logic. So in this, we entered into this trade where basically we were having this liquidity. This liquidity got swept, and we entered into this supply zone, and then it gave us a change of character, and we entered at this change of character, and it gave us a huge profit in around 3 to 4 hours. So this was a very well played trade, and following week GBP USD again is giving us a huge trade, a huge upcoming trade. So in here we are having, so in here, as we know, we have a change of character to the upside, and again a change of character to the downside, and again a break of structure to the downside. So basically GBP USD has given us a change of character when it entered the order block, and now it has given us a break of structure. So one last time, the last opportunity, as we know, after two break of structures, GBP any pair gives us a change of character. So this is going to be a huge trade. And now as it has entered the supply zone, so this basically the original trade idea was to enter at this 45-minute supply zone. I entered and I booked the loss because of the news momentum. Yesterday on Friday there were news for the USD, which led to the liquidation of this. And as you can see, this wick, which basically represents the liquidity, what it has done is, as you can see, these equal highs being forming here, this liquidity has gone swept. So this, it swept the liquidity, and after the 45-minute order block, as we know that the trend is full bearish, it has given us a break of structure, and this is the new high which the pair has formed. So for the break of structure, the highest high is basically this point. If you can see, this is the highest point. This was the liquidity. It got grabbed by this wick in a hair, and now there is all the chances to fall of a GBP USD all the way up to here, or we can also expect further moves as well. So we need to keep close eyes in here. So what is happening here as of now, what we can see is this was the 45 minutes order block that I marked, and this was another order block. So I was thinking if it gave a change of character in here, but it didn't give a full confirmation, and it went up to this 45-minute order block. And again, due to the momentum of the news, it went up, swept the liquidity, and now it has given us a change of character at 15 minutes. So this is a very good signature. Now how we will be entering the trade the next week is basically, if we will go to 45-minute of chart, we can see an FVG is being formed here. So there is a high possibility that once this change of character has given, it will either go down or it will go up. So if it goes up, it will take a pullback, and it should create a new break of structure. So we will be entering at this FVG. But the second idea, as we can see at 1 hour time frame, there is a huge demand zone which has been formed here. So a high probability is the red path, the trade will follow the red path. It will first go down into the demand zone. People will enter the trade thinking it is falling, and as it enters the demand zone, it will go up in the FVG, which will be basically a pullback. And as soon as it enters the FVG, which is basically in here, or there is a as soon as it enters the FVG, we will enter the trade here with stop loss a bit higher, maybe there, in order to handle spread and all those things. And we can expect a huge move towards the downside, which will be basically something around like, if we will make a short position entering at the FVG, this is going to be our SL somewhere. Yes, and we can expect profit still here. If we will go to 4 hour, so we can expect a move this big. Yep. So this is our upcoming GBP USD trade, which is from 8th of September to the next week. Most probable chances are it will get executed on 8th of September, but no one knows. Let's see how the market plays, and the expected move is towards the downside for the GBP USD pair. Thanks for watching.